Alright, so this is an overview video of the project before I tear it apart and spend the next 1 to 2 months going at it. So, single screw, pretty basic, couple through hulls. You got side mount outriggers right there, 27 feet end to end. Got a nice 6-foot bow pulpit on the front, pretty classic down east style. And we'll just take a spin over to the other side. Pretty basic. Pretty basic. Got trim tabs back here. It's got a set of controls on the stern. I took those off already. But a nice little rudder post here for the tiller. Got a set of hydraulic controls to bypass the wheel. The deck back here has been replaced-ish. Basically 3/4 ply over the top of everything. It's got little storage cubbies under here with the fold out seats, I guess. Got place for all the rods. Got 4 tanks, couple saddle tanks in the side, etc. The house is pretty much wide open. It's got some beadboard on the side. It's got a canvas enclosed back. I took that other side off. Pretty basic controls. Pretty basic everything. And it's a good thing. I like that. So if we go under here, it's just a Merc Cruiser. Got pretty recent batteries under there, recent filters, stuff like that. Got wires, it's pretty greasy. Probably end up degreasing and all kinds of fun stuff. All right, going forward, been out here playing, got wires and crap. So that is where the galley was at one point. Hasn't been there for a while. It has basically been stripped back to the raw glass, which is fun for me because I don't have to do that. Nice little hatch under the galley area. Probably end up putting all that back in, but we'll see. Building it back. V-berth under here, pretty basic, very simple, all glass, all the way around, no core in any of it, which is awesome. Over here, there's a little cubby area, similar cubby area right there. Looking forward into the bow, it's all raw glass, pretty basic and very simple, which is good. Looking backwards again, got a hatch, pretty well crazed, but it's okay. I started hauling out some wiring here. There was port light and stuff like that, marker lights, etc. that started taking off. This is the head. Again, very simple. Started pulling stuff out here. There was like a 110 outlet there. There's also a 110 outlet there. All that's gonna go overhead. Again, just raw glass. There's a solar vent here. Some wiring up to the helm. Very basic Dometic like foot pump head with a holding tank under it, which is sweet. Makes my life easy. Looking in here, we've got some PEX and stuff. Pretty basic. This entire thing was built and has like crappy plywood, like just fur, if that, marine grade wood. Might end up doing something there, but if we fold up these stairs, there's access to the front of the engine, which is really nice. Change belts and do all that kind of thing there. And yeah, that's pretty much it. This is the before, and we'll see how far we get at the end of a couple months. Started patching some holes through the hull that were just causing leaks. Threw some epoxy in there last night, so that should be good. Plug that hole. We'll go forward. So again, side mount outriggers. The overhead house is completely flat and clean. Took all the equipment off there. Walk down here, there's a engine blower vent there. There's a water thing there. There's fuel 1 and 2 on each side. There was a grab rail here. I've already taken that off. There's some weird screws that were holding everything in there, so I capped those last night. Similarly up here, let's see, my epoxy didn't set up overnight. That's lovely. Anyway, there was an anchor holder there, and yeah, pretty basic. And that's pretty much it.